The goal of this web application is to provide a shareable community infrastructure for others to study and enable smarter city growth. The application defaults to all layers, but allows the user to isolate the area of visualization with the dynamic layer menu created each time the user selection option. After selecting the area of visualization, the user can then navigate through the accordion menu structure to enable orthomosaic layers, point layers, polygon layers, and line layers. Sometimes these layers will be combined, as shown here. Orthomosaics are 3D layers rendered from hundreds of high-resolution photos that are then projected onto the globe. These may take longer to load than other layers, and this one shows the KEA wind farm combined with a point to describe it. These points are created from a single CSV file, and their pop-up boxes are dynamically created when chosen. This next orthomosaic features the Bear Valley Golf Course and provides high detail of the project site, allowing the user to study the layout and distribution of greenery while making an informed decision on nano-agricultural testing locations. Under energy distribution, we have multiple layers depicting parts of Kodiak's energy grid. This one shows the entire grid with yellow arrows that indicate the direction of energy flow. These next layers show overhead cables, underground cables, and transmission lines from Kodiak's dam. These include 3D poles, and when you enable layers together, you can see the interaction between them. For example, when showing the overhead cables and underground cables, you can see where they meet and transform. When navigating through the menu, selecting Economics and then Property, the user can select the Kodiak parcel map. This map shows the individual property separation across the island.
The horizontal navigation bar on the top of the application contains operations and maintenance data. The user is able to hover over the menu to find data such as annual energy production charts and a grant application. They are all downloadable via Dropbox. Also, there is a Table of Contents button on the right corner, which leads to a page containing downloadable O&M data from Kodiak Electric Association. All interactive contents include how to build, maintain, fund, and manage renewable systems. Because of the acidic ash in our soil, food does not grow very well on Kodiak. As a result, we have started testing the effects of the nanoagriculture solution on the soil to see if we can have sustainable sources of food grown locally. If the user selects the graph button at the top right of the page by clicking here, it opens a page linked to the Kodiak High School Wind Turbine Data Visualization page, and the user can zoom into specific time series using the range selector. This page visualizes Kodiak Electric Association's power production and demand data, also commercial, industrial, and residential sales revenue data over 5 years. This page contains graphical information from Phaeton Academy of the Arts and displays their energy budget, energy usage, and budget analysis that allows the user to select the time series data. If the user selects the Water Experiment tab, it opens a visualization page with 7 experimental graphs with detailed charts.
The CitySmart WorldWise application is designed to provide community administrators the information necessary to quickly review the status of power generation and distribution, water quality and treatment levels, food production and distribution, and many other systems. This allows them to plan future strategies and action to adjust to new and environmental changes. Additionally, students are generating and acquiring these data, which creates an understanding and an educational outreach that promotes collaboration between community systems and cultures.